You guys, oh my god. Okay, I stop our life's normally scheduled programming to bring you what I think is my very first ever PR unboxing. I am bright red right now. I just ran in here, in case you couldn't tell. I am on the verge of tears and I'm sweating to death because I'm having like a hormone hot flash and I'm so excited. I think this is my first ever PR box. I'm trying not to die. Okay, let me set the scene for you guys. So I had a long day and I come home from work and I have all these packages. I have stuff I have to go through, stuff that I've ordered, stuff that's for the business. Like I have a lot of stuff that I have to just get organized, and I'm like, you know what? I just want to take my makeup off. I want to put my hair up. Like I'm done. I just want to, like, you know, I just want to get myself all undone. I want to put on my old lady sweater. Hi, hello. For those of you that don't know, this is my old lady sweater. I love it. It is the most comfortable thing in the world and it makes me feel at peace with my old age. And so I get myself all ready. I sit down and I'm like, wait a second. Excuse me, ma'am. Like, what is this giant box? And by the way, I also took my address off. If you can't tell, there's no address on this box because I knew I'd be hugging it a lot in today's video. But I sit there and I'm like, wait a second. What would I have possibly ordered that is this big? Like a palette, a foundation, like what would I have ordered? So I'm sitting there and I'm like, okay, that's really weird. So I grab the scissors, I open it up, and I got about one peek into the tissue paper, and then I shut it again and I went, oh my God, I think this is a PR package because I didn't order anything from this brand. I don't know what any of it is, and I'm just like, oh my God, this is my first ever PR package. So I ran in here, I wanted to turn the camera on, and I wanted to share this with you guys. So I'm sorry if this is not what you were looking for, but like, I'm so genuinely excited right now. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. I think I could probably tell you at this point who it is from. It is from Tarte. Oh my God, Tarte, thank you so much. Now, I don't think I've ever talked about this on camera, but I do periodically send out PR emails. I try not to like flood all the brands with PR emails and, oh my God, please send me free things. You know, I try not to do it all too often, but I do reach out, you know, every so often and say, hey, I just did this review of this product. Take a look at it. Let me know what you think, or I would love to work with you. And I just want to reach out and let them know that I'm here and that I do plan on being around for a while. And it's just a really good way to kind of keep in contact with brands. And when you're a smaller influencer like myself, a lot of times you either get like an automated response or you'll get, you know, a little bit of like meh here. A lot of times, I would say 90% of the time, they just ignore you and they act like you don't exist. But Tarte didn't, and Tarte sent me this package, and I'm trying really hard to keep it together, guys. I'm trying. Okay, let's just open this box because is anybody else dying? I am. Okay, I clearly didn't plan this video because I have literally not one clean surface in front of me. That's okay. Back it up like a Tonka truck. I'm gonna set it on my lap. Hold on, I have to show you this. Tarte, you did not. Look at all this, you guys. There's so much stuff in here. Darn, I'm dying. Okay. I'm having a heart attack. Okay. Okay, it looks like the first thing we have is their Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette. Let's take a little look-see here. Ooh, magnetic closure. Ooh, I don't think I have this one either, do I? I don't think I do. Ah! Guys, I'm so excited. Should I swatch one? I'm sorry, car. It's very rude. Guys, I have the window open because I'm literally sweating 4,000 bullets a minute right now. Okay, but we just need to swatch. Oh my God, Tarte. Why does it always smell so good? It smells like the most delicious cupcake that I want to eat right now. Oh my God. What do you got going on? I need to swatch those. I totally was not going to swatch these. Oh, she's pretty. And I don't even have all my lights on. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. Okay, so excited right now. Yeah, I definitely don't think I have this one. Ooh, listen to that. Isn't that a good closure? Ooh, that's good. That's solid. Okay, so next up we have their Pro Remix palette, which guys, I love this palette so much. I do already have it. Okay, now I'm not gonna swatch this, but you guys know if you are not new here, I love and obsess over this palette. It is so good. I did review it when it first came out, and it is such a beautiful palette. Oh my God. Still smells like all the delicious things I want to eat. Now, I'm not going to swatch this like I said because I already have it, and I will either be doing a giveaway or giving it to someone I know or something along those lines. I do plan to do a giveaway, just so you guys know. I'm just trying to still work out the logistics with the P.O. box and all of that. So that is in the back of my mind, just so you guys know, whether that's with these products, future products, what have you, I am not ignoring it. Oh my God, you guys, look at the next thing. These are their under eye masks, but they're in the shape of luggage. I'm dying. Okay, these are their Pack Your Bags 911 Under Eye Rescue Patches. Holy adorable. And it even has the little like handle. Hello. Oh my God, don't look at my nails. Ugh, this nail polish chipped right off. Look at how cute you are. Oh my God, guys, I love skincare. Who has been just loving, breathing, dying skincare lately? Raise your hand. Me. Guys, I cannot stop. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, by the way, you definitely should. I have it linked down below. And I know I say that at the end of every video, but if you like skincare, you definitely want to follow me on Instagram, because every weekend I do skincare Saturday/Sunday, where I go on there and I hang out with you guys. And we really just dive into skincare like full force on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me, it's linked down below. You definitely should, girl, because it is a good time. And it looks to me like we're going to have a little bit more skincare to be talking about. Ooh, what is next? What is next? Ooh, they sent their Shaper Contour Sponge. I've never tried this. Oh my God, you guys know how much I love sponges. Yes, Tarte. I'm going to cry. Don't cry, Paige. Do stop it. So next up we have the Tarte Skincare Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. Oh, is this like a face cream? Oh my God, guys, the packaging. I'm sorry. Can we just pause? Do you see? It's like it has a little tide. Tarte, they always have the best packaging. I mean, hello, let's just, while we're talking about it, send in Exhibit A of how adorable their packaging is. Anybody else see this review? I'll link it up here. This is their newest High Tides Good Vibes palette. I freaking love this. I created the most beautiful look with this palette. Their packaging is just so on point. It's on top of my vanity because I love it so much. So yeah, their packaging's adorable. I don't know why I felt the need to like insert that as further proof, but God, I love your packaging, Tarte. Oh my God. Okay, it's gonna be so, oh, it's like a hydrogel. Oh my good Lord, and it smells like heaven itself. Truly like a silky drink of water. You can see that sheen right there. It feels so nice. It actually feels like a cross between like a hydrogel and a moisturizer, but it has a little bit more emolliency to it, like a little bit of a thicker consistency than a typical hydrogel. Let's just put like a little bit on. I mean, oh, it feels so good. Oh, and it's soaked right in. Oh my God, you guys know how much I love skincare. Let me just lather it on. Oh, yes. Wow, that smells really good too. Oh, and it sinks right in. I really like how that feels. Ooh. This is the Tarte Cosmic Maracuja Concentrated Face Balm. I didn't even know this was a thing. Ah, what's in here? Open up, open up. Oh my gosh, this packaging, like before I go any farther, hello, this frosted glass component with this cute little trim on this lid. I'm living. Okay. I'm sorry, are those gold flecks I see? We need to look at this package. Hello? It says on the back, we've always championed sustainable harvest to keep the Amazon as healthy and beautiful as its maracuja makes our skin. But now we're taking that to the next level by funding a small all-female cooperative in Brazil. The women plant the passion fruit and harvest them by hand, removing the seeds to yield our revitalizing oil. Oh, that's so amazing. When you do good for your skin and the world, you feel golden, so get ready to glow from the inside out. Oh my, oh, it feels so weird. Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys, it's like jelly. This one has much, much more of an oil consistency right there. You can see that sheen. That is completely rubbed in. Oh, but oh my gosh, does that feel so nice. It like soaks right in, but it leaves a slight oil feel just to continue that hydration. Okay, I have a little bit on my hand here. Let's see, I just put some here. So let's go here, right? Yeah. Let's do it. I mean, why not? Oh, that feels nice. Let me just like take these off for a second and then like enjoy my massage. Oh my good word. Guys, this feels so smooth. Okay, wow. Definitely gonna keep playing with you, little cutie. Okay, what else we got in here? What is this? Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive. Oh, their cleansing gel. Oh, I've never tried this either. Oh my God, Tarte, you're killing me over here. Come on now. Let me open it. Oh, it smells so good. Definitely cannot wait to test that little bad boy out. What else? Guys, there's still more. I'm so sorry if you guys are like, Paige, why is this taking so long? Because Paige is trying not to hyperventilate and have a heart attack. So we're bringing it down a notch. Okay, let's continue. Ooh, this is their Paddle to Perfection foundation brush. I have always wondered about this. Ooh, that is so soft. Ooh, ooh, really soft. Oh, yep, I'm going to be testing you out. Double Duded Beauty. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes. What is this? The Sexy Kitten Eyeliner. Okay, I like sexy kittens. Meow. We have a gel liner. Oh, I love these for the waterline. Okay, nice. Okay, what is this? We have the Park Ave Princess Bronzer. Stop. You guys, who has been more obsessed in their life with their Park Ave Princess palette? You know, that long one that has like all the shades in it? Hello, raise your hand if you've been here since the time that I've been obsessed with that, because I've went through so many of those pans. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my God, it comes in like this adorable little package. Why am I so obsessed? It's my heart, my dream, my soul. Oh, so good. It feels wonderful. It looks wonderful. I don't have this in a compact size. Do you know how much easier this would be to take with me than the giant palette just for the bronzer? Oh my gosh. Pout Prep Lip Exfoliant. Okay, I mean, my lips are kind of crusty and busty today. That smells so good. So it's a really nice fine grain consistency. It has like a mint to it, so it also feels like a, you know that feeling when you're like chewing really minty gum? It's like giving me that, but on my lips, and it feels really nice. I like that it leaves that minty feeling on my lips. That's really nice. I'm just gonna grab me a little Laneige, girl. Throw that on. Oh yeah. Because now that we're not crusty and busty, we want to be glossy and flossy. I just made that up, and I'm not gonna lie, pretty proud of myself. I don't think I have any of their single highlights, and I think I might have one of their single blushes. So it looks like the first one we have is Stunner. That is really pretty. I love that it's like that champagne undertone. This is the kind of undertone that typically looks best on my skin tone. Oh, I love you. It looks like they sent me 2 different blushes. Ooh, the first one is the shade Exposed. That is my shade. I'm sorry. Mauvey pink blushes, like give me a mauvey pink or give me a coral all day long. Oh, I love that. Okay, and for the record, I love Tarte blushes anyways. I think they are so beautiful. The way that they blend and buff into the skin is truly mesmerizing. I have probably 2 or 3 of their blush books. I think that they are just, oh, they're so stunning. Okay, so this top one is the shade Party. And girl, I love it. So you can definitely see the first one has more of like a mauvey, deep mauvey pink undertone, whereas the other one is more of like a traditional or a classic pink with just a little bit of a deeper hue undertone to it. Ooh, those are pretty. Oh gosh. This is their lip paint, which I believe is their liquid lipstick, correct? Their dry down liquid lipstick in the shade Bestie. Okay. Okay, so this is the shade. Oh my God, you guys, it's a nude. It's like you know me, Tarte. It's like you're inside my soul. Oh, I don't have any of these. These are their Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash lipsticks. Oh, I wanted some of these so bad. Ooh, what shade is this? This is in the shade Shades. Oh my gosh, you guys, Deep Plum Purple. Ooh, that's freaking gorgeous. The other one is Pink Lemonade. Oh, it's like a nudie pink. Hold on, let's just swatch it. Ooh, I would actually really love those 2 shades together. Like you could do an ombre lip between the 2. I really like the sheen on these. They're like a really nice hydrating satin lip formula. Very pretty. Now we have 2 products left. This one is their Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara, which I actually do like this mascara, and I'm really excited that they sent it because your girl has recently started running out somehow of all of her mascaras, so that is fantastic. And then it looks like the last one we have here is the Lip Sculptor Lipstick and Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Candid. Oh my gosh, you guys, how often do I talk to you guys and say how much I love these? I actually carry one around in my purse because they are fantastic. On one end, you have a lipstick. So this is the lipstick, which is a really nice nude shade right here. Hello, sorry. So this is the lipstick, which is a nice nude. And then on the other end, you have the lip gloss, which, you know, let me just swatch it on my forehead because apparently I'm never going to wipe my hand off again. So there are the 2 shades together, the lipstick and then the gloss. These are so valuable to have on hand. I love them. And guys, that is it. That's everything that's in this box, and I'm trying so hard not to like pass out and die and a million other emotions, because for me, this is more than just like a box of amazing stuff. This is a milestone. Like I can't even imagine. I can't believe that a brand took the time to sit down and send me something. Thank you so much, Tarte. Like genuinely, I know I'm a goofy person and that I have such an off-the-wall personality sometimes, but thank you from the bottom of my so excited heart for this entire package, for everything in here. I am over the moon elated right now because this is the first time on my channel where a brand has been like, wait a second, I acknowledge like you, the fact that you exist, how much work you put into your channel, and here is something like from us to you, and I cannot tell you what that feels like. I've been doing this channel for 2 years now, and I upload very consistently, guys. If for those of you that are relatively new, I upload 5 days a week, like 5 days, Monday through Friday. They go up super early. They are full-fledged content, new reviews and palettes and foundation reviews and all of the like. And I do this every single day. And I'm not sitting here trying to tell you guys like a sob story or anything, but I do upload 5 days a week, and I have a full life outside of YouTube as well. And so it can be so much and get so overwhelming sometimes. And while we're on the topic, you guys, thank you all so much, because I wouldn't even have this box of product if it wasn't for you guys showing up every day and watching my videos and being excited for me when I post, and being excited for me when I post a video like this, because I know that you guys don't just show up for the newest makeup or the newest palette, or, you know, did she love it or hate it? You guys show up for that because you're curious. But I think so many of you show up for me because you genuinely do care about me. And I think that it is amazing that this kid from Northern Michigan who grew up as like the fat kid with the tumor and all these issues and, you know, never really thinking much about herself. Now I'm in a position where I have so many people that do legitimately care about me, and they wait to hear from me every morning, and it means something to you. And there's a magic in that. There's a magic in social media that for so long I discounted. And now that I'm sitting here, not even just with this PR box, but I'm sitting here in front of thousands of people, that my channel continues to grow. And I just, for me, it's just such a surreal moment. So I know I'm droning on, and I promise I'm going to stop. But you guys, thank you all genuinely so much from the bottom of my heart for being there and for watching my videos and for commenting and for liking and for talking to me. And for those of you that even sit there and tell me like, Paige, I wasn't even interested in the palette, I just wanted to see what you said, or I just wanted to be here and clicked so I could support you. Like, that means more than you could know. Okay, so I'm not going to keep droning on, I promise, guys. I'm literally like, I'm starstruck right now that this just happened. I literally feel like I just got hit in the head with a bat. That's how like boof I feel right now, because I'm so overwhelmed with all these emotions and gratitude and happiness. And just thank you all so much for being subscribed and for hanging out with me. And if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe and turn on your notifications, because y'all, I upload new videos 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, and it's a good, fun, fresh lit time. We love it over here, and we love support. So thank you so much. And you can also follow me on Instagram, on Twitter. I mean, they're linked down below. Why not? If you want to hook up and support a sister, I would greatly appreciate it. Guys, just thank you. Thank you for everything that you do and for everything you continue to do. And Tarte, thank you again so much for this. It is amazing. And I cannot wait, by the way, while we're on the topic, Tarte, to test your foundation, girl. I am so excited. I'm over the moon. And this just like... Thank you for resetting my everything. I had a really long day today, and this was awesome. So thank you so much. And you guys, that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to have a great day, night, weekend, whatever it is when you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.